Who said 5 gifted for the burps? Do you remember that? There you go. Excuse me. Shotgun a truly, you're crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. Mumbo. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you have any second ones? Yeah. Ban or unban, you guys? Ban or unban? 1 to ban, 2 to unban. Excuse me. Excuse me. I am so full. Excuse me. Come back. Excuse me. Oh, views are really good. I should probably have stayed on. Excuse me. I look like a Baywatch. Thanks. Damn, do you guys hear these kids yelling? No, you can't. Did you hear that? Well, oh, and I got a drink too. But the drink is in my fridge. I'm gonna go get it really quick.
Eat the Ritz. Thank you for the
Wait, so is
subs as well.
Is Ludwig live or was that a YouTube video that he posted?
Allowing 10 people.
What is it? Excuse me. It's very small over in this corner, so I don't know if you guys seen it. We'll just we'll do that and put it right there. Oh, thanks. Excuse me. How do you know if this is still going?